this is the time you need to take your YouTube very seriously. Like, you really need to be careful and also take your YouTube very seriously, because YouTube is not joking. Like, this time around, YouTube is not joking. A lot of accounts will be demonetized. Like, a lot of accounts will be removed, a lot of accounts will be blocked. Those that are eligible, a lot of them will not be accepted into YouTube partner program. So this is the time you need to focus and know what you are doing on YouTube, okay? Because I know you wouldn't like your account being removed or blocked. God forbid. Okay, so basically, welcome back to my YouTube. So YouTube updated a new policy. They updated a new rule that will commence starting from the 15th of July, which is 15th of this month. This is when the rule is going to take effect, okay? Starting from 15th of July, for those that are not yet monetized, and for those that are monetized already, it is going to start from the 15th of August. Okay, so YouTube stated that from 15th of July, that content that do not show skin, you do not show your face, you can decide not to show your face, but you need to show your skin. That content that do not show their skin, content that are only images, will no longer be monetized. Like, ads will no longer be shown on this content. And so let me tell you, YouTube pay people based on ads. Okay, ads are the thing that generate money more, okay, more than views. So when ads are not shown on your videos, there is no way you are going to be making money. So starting from 15th of July, content that are only images, content that do not show skin, will no longer be monetized. Like, they are going to be cancelled, they are going to be blocked and removed. So if you fall under the category of people that post images, you use images for your content, you really need to rethink and know what to do about it. Okay, you need to start showing your face. And the second one is related to YouTube partner program. Yes, so starting from 15th of July also, people that post already existing content, like people's content, they will no longer be eligible for monetization. Like, they will be blocked. Stated that creators need to post content that are original, content that are authentic. So starting from 15th of July, if your content is not original, if your content is not from you, maybe you edit other people's content, you put your own, you edit other people's content, YouTube is also going to copyright you. YouTube is going to block that channel. Like, it's going to block both the video and the channel, and your account is going to be removed. So please try as much as possible to avoid other people. So YouTube also talked about posting something that you've posted before, previous something that you've posted, like repeating a video, like repeating a content. See, it's not like you're not going to recreate someone's content. It's not like you're not going to recreate your own content. Maybe you posted a content and it kind of went viral, you want to recreate it. So you need to do something different. You don't need to do it exactly the way you did it before, because YouTube talked about something like that, posting something that you've posted before, something of posting the previous thing that you've already posted, like repeating content. YouTube stated that channels that repeat content, like you repeat, you keep repeating particular content. And what I understood by this is, maybe you posted a video and it went viral, and you keep on posting that video, posting that. It's not like you are creating another video, you keep on posting that particular one. YouTube is going to remove your account. Like, YouTube is going to block your account. So please, you really need to avoid these two things. You see, these two things: posting only images, only images, posting only images, not showing your skin, not using your voice, not showing your, see, even when you don't want to use your voice, but YouTube wants originality, because a lot of people are content creators now. Yes, a lot of us, a lot of people are doing YouTube, there are a lot of content creators. Content creators are more than people that watch videos. So that's why YouTube is working on eliminating some creators, some channels. YouTube is working on making everything authentic and original. Okay, so please, if you know how to avoid posting only pictures, only images, if you're the type that posts only images on your content, please, you really need to rethink about it. Okay, and again, if you like repeating content, like you like posting previous something that you've already posted before, you really need to think about it. You really need to stop. Please just try and know how to do it. Hold on, guys. So you really need to think and know what to do about it to avoid your channel being removed. Imagine all the hard labor, imagine all the data you've spent, all the money you've invested, your time, your creativity, everything that you have done to grow your channel, and then your channel will be removed. Please, you really need to think about it. Make sure you avoid repetitious something, like repetitious content. Make sure you avoid repeating content, okay? And especially exactly the way you did it the previous time. Make sure you avoid using other people's content also, so that your account will not be demonetized or removed or blocked. Okay, so that's what I said. Let me just quickly share with you guys. Please make sure you like this video, and also please make sure you share this video. Okay, so please, besties, I'll be posting more on how to grow healthy hair. If you want to grow your hair, want to grow your natural hair, I'll be posting more on that. And I also do product review, so feel free to check out my channel, and please make sure you subscribe. Also like the video. If you have any question regards to monetizing your account, maybe applying for monetization, or there's anything you need, you want to know, feel free to indicate in the comment section. Ask, I will answer you with the knowledge I know. Like, I will answer. See you on my next video. Bye guys.